In the continued pursuit of Mitch repeating his title as the world's strongest man, we are correcting his rolling pattern to the left. So in the previous video, we used a soft roll pattern to reflexively stabilize segments of the spine. Now we're using what's called a hard roll to the left to work on that cross cord connection from the left hip to the right elbow. And we're using some compression strategies to help stabilize the spine as well as control his breathing. Now with some muscle testing, we did find that there was a little bit of an irritation with the left adductors, but we also found a disconnection between the cross cord reflex of the right shoulder and the left hip during flexion. So to reestablish this cross cord connection, we're using a rolling strategy as well as this contralateral anterior compression stimulation to get things kind of firing up and feeling a little bit differently for him. So what I'm explaining to Mitch here is anytime we initiate a change of direction or roll or a pivot or what have you, it starts with the eyes, because where the eyes go, the neck goes. Where the neck goes, the spine goes. So this all works at reflexes. Think of when babies roll, they look at something, there's an object that they want to reach for. They look at it, they reach for it, and then their spine moves second with the rest of the body. But it starts with the eyes and the neck to initiate that rolling or pivot pattern. So I'm explaining to him that this is not a necessity to do every single time he trains, but it is something to check if he's starting to feel some of these aches and pains that he's been experiencing.